So the question was, what do you do when you're not motivated to create video content? Sometimes we feel a little bit less inspired or motivated to create video content. Coming up with that energy that goes into creating videos, it's something that you need to develop and create and put into the content that you're creating. So understand that there are going to be times when you do feel motivated, and there's going to be times where you just don't feel inspired at all. You can't think of anything that you want to say, or it's like, that's the last thing I really want to do right now, is jump in front of the camera and record some video content. So there's two things that you can do. The first thing is not create. Don't create the video content. You'd be thinking, what are you talking about? I thought this guy was all about the videos. Well, that's one option, is not to create. Now the other option, boom, 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 you guessed it, create video content. I want you to simplify things and say, right now, I'm not motivated, I'm not inspired to create video content, but I need to make a decision of whether I am going to create or not going to create. And that's going to come down to what's happening in your business, what's happening with your audience. And part of this, that's going to give you a little bit of clarity into making this decision, is to look back over your goals, your objectives for the year. And this applies at any point in time in the year. If you're not motivated, you don't have to create video content, because if you are creating video content where you're just really low energy and you just don't want to do anything, and yeah, I'm just creating this video for the sake of creating the video, and like it's on my to-do list, so I'm doing it. If that's going to be the type of videos you're going to be creating, then there's probably little reason for you to be creating videos right now. Now, you might find that tomorrow you feel totally different, but if today was your video day that you were going to be creating, and you're feeling this way, chances are you can say, well, this is not the way that I should be showing up on camera. That's going to come through the lens right there. If you are low on energy, if you are struggling to get back in the swing of things, then don't beat yourself up about it. It's okay if you do delay that filming day and you put it off onto another part of the calendar. But in saying that, make that decision with integrity that you will actually follow through and not put it off again. Because if you continue to put off and put off and put off and put off, do you think anything's going to get done? No, it's not. But what else could you do with your video marketing that is going to allow you this point in time on your calendar where you've kind of focused in and saying, this is going to be my filming day. I'm going to spend so many hours on doing my videos here. How can we make that time that we've allocated still productive to move the needle in your business with your video marketing? That's something that you should really be thinking about. That's a question that I would love to have you answer, and drop a comment below to let me know what else could you be working on with your video marketing. If it's not jumping in front of the camera, there's a bazillion things that you could be doing. Then the other side of the coin is, all right, we're going to create. So I made the decision that yes, I'm not motivated and everything, but I need to create video content. Watch some of those past videos that you have been doing in the past. Not only will it get you back on track thinking about your topic, you will start inspiring yourself, and that your energy will shift. You may not be motivated when you first sit down, going through the activity, thinking about your audience first. What is it that they want? What is it that they need? And how can we assist them in solving their problems? The more you do this, it's going to inspire more and more ideas for you. And when there's more inspiration for ideas, your motivation will build. And you'll say, okay, I may not get the 8 videos that I was going to record today, but by doing this process, I'm going to get at least 4. Or maybe you want to just watch some of your past testimonial videos to inspire yourself about what it is that you're doing. When you're hearing people talk about you and say positive things, you're going to say, oh, I'm actually quite good in this space. I really need to be helping more people. And then you'll feel that sense of leadership that you should be stepping up and creating more video content around the actual topics that's going to help your audience. So I've just kind of covered 2 different mindsets, where you're not going to create or you're going to create your videos, and how you can go across both of those. If you're not feeling it, you're not inspired, not motivated, then don't create. But look for other ways in your business that you can implement different parts of video marketing to move the needle for your business. Making the decision to create, even though you're not motivated or inspired, then look at those testimonials. Look at your past video content, watch those back. I guarantee you that by doing that, your energy will shift. You will feel more motivated than you did before you did that exercise.